Invasive and indigenous to some parts of South and Southeast Asia, this miracle plant is a blessing to Bugallon's community. Aside from its vibrant dark purple color and its sweet and tangy flavor, it also boasts some medicinal benefits helpful in fighting and preventing certain diseases. In this town, a fun way of consuming duhat is taking the center stage.
We prepared Duhat wine as our one town, one product. Way back 2010, we were awarded by the DNR with 131 CBFM, which is our community-based forest management. Trees are planted in the mountains. That includes Duhat wine. So we have a good supply from the upland for us to have our raw materials to provide for our one town, one product, which is the Duhat wine. It is helping our community and our municipality of Bugallon, because we are able to help our farmers to have jobs and create livelihood.
Noon po, ang Duhat wine nasasayang din lang. Pero nung nag-umpisa na kami dito sa Duhat wine, ito na yun, nagkaroon din po ng hanap buhay. Nakatulong ito sa aming komunidad.
Our cooperative, Lagit Padilla Multipurpose Cooperative, was been organized by the year 1991 and was been accredited by 1992, and we started producing our Duhat wine by 2003, and it is been accredited again by the government and the municipality of Bugallon by 2008.
April o May, gumagawa kami ng Duhat wine. After 6 months, mga November, sinasiphon namin. After 2 months uli, siphon uli, ilalagay sa malinis na bottle. Tapos, hanggang susunod na taon, mayroon uli ng yung Duhat fruit, gagawa uli kami. Kaya hindi kami tumitigil sa paggawa. Pag tumatagal, mas lalong sumasarap.
Our Duhat wine has been sold here locally in our barangay, Lagit Padilla, and to our municipality and to the other towns. And it also reached nationally and internationally. A bottle costs 210 on retail. Wholesale prices, it will cost only 200 per bottle as a wholesale price. Please visit our Lagit Padilla Multipurpose Cooperative po. We are located here in Barangay Lagit Padilla, Bugallon, Pangasinan.
The journey that started from a small cooperative in Barangay Lagit Padilla is now slowly harvesting the fruits of its labor. The quality wines extracted from the seasonal fruit Duhat is starting to be widely recognized by bigger consumers, helping not just the cooperative and its members, but also the town of Bugallon.